The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Mount the holders onto the sides of the main unit. Install the hair removal handle and place it into the holder. Install the Picosecond handle. Attach a required tip to the handle. Then place it into the holder. Install the pedal switch. Remove the sealing cap from the effusion port. Remove the sealing cap from the overflow port. Attach the wide hose to the funnel. And attach the funnel. Pour water into the funnel. Until it flows out from the overflow port. Remove the funnel. Reattach the sealing caps to both ports. Connect the power cord and turn on the power switch. Insert the key into the keyhole and turn it to power on the device. The nearby red button is the emergency stop. Select 755 nanometers hair removal on the screen. Settings. Gender selection, female. Treatment area, A. Frequency, 3 Hz. Pulse width, 85 milliseconds. Laser power, 100% cooling level, 4. Tap ready to start the treatment. Select 808 nanometers hair removal on the screen. Settings. Gender selection, female. Treatment area, A. Frequency, 4 Hz. Pulse width, 85 milliseconds. Laser power, 100%. Cooling level, 4. Tap ready to start the treatment. Select 1064 nanometers hair removal on the screen. Settings. Gender selection, female. Treatment area, A. Frequency, 4 Hz. Pulse width, 85 milliseconds. Laser power, 100%. Cooling level, 4. Tap ready to start the treatment. Select Picosecond on the screen. Choose 1064 nanometers. Settings. MJ settings, 850 MJ. Hertz setting, 3 Hz. Aiming, default. Press the on/off button to initiate the process. Choose 755 nanometers. Settings. MJ settings, 600 MJ. Frequency, 3 Hz. Aiming, default. Press the on/off button to initiate the process. 532 nanometers is the default setting. Settings. MJ settings, 350 MJ. Hertz setting, 1 Hz. Aiming, default. Press the on/off button to initiate the process. Press the on/off button to stop the operation. Turn the key to the left to power off the device, then remove the key. Power off the device and disconnect the power cord. To drain or replace the water in the tank, remove the cap from the drainage port and attach a funnel. Remove the cap from the overflow and wait for the water to drain completely. Reattach the seal covers.